This is the back entrance to a very popular North Alabama cave. It's a wet multi-drop during the wintertime. During the summertime, it's still wet, but it's more like a trickle. So this is the first drop. If you have a 100-foot rope, that should get you where you need to go. It's a pull-down trip, meaning that you pull the ropes down behind you because you're going to come down. You're going to come out a separate entrance. There's no need to bring a rope pad because you are descending on the rope. You're not going to be ascending, and that's when you need a rope pad. So it's kind of a lightweight trip, and you don't have to carry much with you. During the winter or after a rain, you could expect to get wet, even on the very first drop. So it's a very nice waterfall. It's rigged mostly out of the water, but if you're wearing boots, you're probably going to fill up at some point. This second drop is rigged out of the water, but if you want to stay completely out of the water, you have to fit into this small crack. And as you see, the first person going down had to kind of scoot over to the wider part of the crack a little bit. Here's a nice shot of the 2 barrel knots we have tied to join the ropes.
Remember that little trick you did earlier? Stay out of the waterfall? Yeah. You got to do that one on this drop too. You got to push and stay against that wall. Oh. I love it. Vortex of fun. Really, vortex of water fun.
The third drop has a permanently rigged rope that you really need to clip into to go ahead and make it down to the actual rig point where we're going to rig the rope and do the next very wet drop. It is impossible to stay dry on this drop, period. Don't even try to stay dry. So obviously the water is roaring today, and I'm trying my best to straddle the waterfall, but to no avail. And you're about to find out that GoPros are waterproof.
Is the other one not as wet?
What's that?
Is the other one not as